Be ready, 5 seconds.
Advocates are an important part of judicial system. They are not only the officers of the court, but they also act as an important bridge between those who seek justice and those who are empowered under the law to give justice. The amendments to the Advocates Act were long pending and bring about a critical reform in the justice delivery system of our country. The importance of these amendments cannot be understated. While these amendments are important, questions can only be raised when the state agencies act against lawyers. Secondly, the enforcement mechanisms will be required to implement this law. This is because while we want that some lawyers are punished, procedures also need to be brought about to ensure that there is no unnecessary persecution of any genuine lawyer, and through these amendments the independence of judiciary is not hindered. One of the most crucial components of the justice delivery system in India is its human resource element, which is the advocate. Their role cannot be understated in the whole process. They act as a bridge between the aggrieved and the adjudication institution. They also play an important role in shaping our society, and not to forget their role in assisting courts to arrive at several judgments protecting the environment. A verification drive by the Bar Council of India found that only 50% of practicing lawyers in India were genuine. This number was heavily reported in the media. There needs to be a single public register for all the advocates across the country, which can be accessed by the public to cross verify the claims of educational qualifications of the advocates. Advocacy may look like a very glamorous profession, but for those who are in the practice of law, it is far from the truth. The Advocates Act needs to be further amended to ensure that certain benefits of social security are also extended to the junior advocates, and to ensure that advocacy as a profession can retain the best talent. In this regard, there is no provision. I would like to suggest to the Law Minister to take steps to ensure that first generation advocates are also benefited from the targeted government schemes for health, housing, and other schemes, so that they may be able to earn a respectful livelihood. Despite the importance attached to this profession, there are no concrete measures in place to ensure the social security of the advocates. Charging fees beyond what is prescribed in the Advocates Act 1961 violates the right to equality and denies opportunities to aspiring advocates. I may inform the Law Minister that the poor advocates are not in a position to pay the enrollment fees. In this regard, the central government has to take some steps to provide minimum financial assistance to the rural advocates, particularly for constructing their houses, paying the enrollment fees, etc. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is giving rupees 5,000 per month to all the junior lawyers. To strengthen this Amendment Act and also to implement the ideas of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, the Union government has to take steps.